Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello everyone, good morning. It's really nice to travel early in the morning. There's no traffic, the wind is so cold, it's so fresh, everything. It's not busy on the street. So that's the one advantage in traveling early in the morning. It's around 4:30 and the road is so smooth. Yeah, the travel is so smooth because there's no traffic. And now we are here in Karkar, of course, Jollibee. We feel hungry. As long as you wake up early, you will also feel hungry early in the morning. So that is why we are here now in Jollibee, Karkar. We stop over so that we can eat, drink, and make some pee also. So how about you guys? By this time you're still sleeping? Oh, come on guys, get up and make some short exercise. Okay, let's go inside. Bida ang saya. So this will be our early breakfast. So bida ang saya. We're busog now. So I ordered chicken, I think chicken hot dogs, no? And then hot choco, finally, because I was not able to drink my shots in the morning. My ginger, my turmeric, yeah, that's what I love to drink every morning. Yeah, every morning, hot turmeric, hot ginger. So I combined it with calamansi. Yes, with calamansi. It's so nice, guys, in order to strengthen our immune system. So what are we gonna do? Actually, guys, we really don't know yet where we are going, but I think we will end up there in Mualbual. It's almost summers, guys. It's almost summer. So let's go. And look at the sun slowly coming out. Finally, we are here in Mualbual again and again and again. As always, we love to come here in Mualbual. But let's find some CR here. I want to pee. So let's go to HK so that we can pee there.
Vlog.
Wala, bidjura ko.
Bidjura.
Nice, Koy. Makagutom.
Good day, guys. Basta ko day. Shout out day ko tagakuan. Jello.
Hi, it's so nice here again. It's so nice. Welcome back, Mualbual. Oh. So it's just normal, no? That early in the morning we will clean up. We're cleaning up. Thank you kayo, ma'am. Dagan mo guest karon?
Wa gyud yan mo ma'am.
Wa gyud. Wag hindi mo murag.
Wala na kami booking, ma'am. Di kuan sila mo dayon. Di uswag.
Murag kag taga Bujul.
Ha?
Murag taga Buhol kay wa iya mo mako nga.
Dire, ma'am, ang sinusihan.
Mura sa dig Buhol no. Kanang pinamako nga jamo-jamo indajun. It's so funny man the guys there, oy. When I came back, they said, "Mom, are you done vlogging, Mom?" I said, "No, yeah. I'm done peeing there at HK." But you know what? I don't pay for the water because there is still water there, from the other customer ba. So that's why she told me, don't buy water, Mom. We still have water here. You use si kuan ba? Si Jamo-Jamo ba? Si Jamo-Jamo. Hoy, nice kayo guys. This is what I miss. Kana bitong mag-walk around ka diri sa sandbar. Oh. See? How far? For me, this is much better than Boracay. This is much better, guys. How about you? Which do you like? Boracay or here in Moalboal? I have bodyguards again, guys. They walk with me. Hello. Oy. So cute man, oy. Oh. Asa man na imong mga tinda? Souvenir. Naan ako inanang good.
Buwangan ba?
I don't use it gani. Wait, so let's check. Guys, I have here now my necklace, my new necklace. So, di ba? Nice. Nice, uy. Very nice. So, I have also one, but so as of now, guys, I'm not ready, so that's why maybe I don't want to go swimming. So I'll just take a walk here, sitting here under the sun. Under the sun. Nagpasyado na sa tao kay tumurag too much na gyud murag. The sun now is so strong. So unlike with earlier, the sun is so good, but later on, marag aggressive na kayo si Sun. Si Sun is so aggressive na. So let's just stay here. Actually on my back, it's all rooms for rent. But I think it's so no guest at all. Yeah, I think there's no guest. Unlike the last time when we were here, there's so many tourists. Yeah, foreigners mostly. Yeah. Not only local tourists but foreigners. Back in walking under the sun. It's a real walking in the sun. Under the sun, walking in the sun, walking under the sun. Day, grabe kay ka day, dagang kay ka grammar. Your grammar is very wrong, charot. Anyways, there's a mga police there. Tigbantay sa kalinaw. Mo bantay basta glinaw. Let's dip our feet here. Woo! Uy, the water is so cold. Promise, it's so nice. See how clear is the water here. Here. Look at the dog. Oh, look at the dog. He loves lying here. Under the sun also. And there's another dog, guys. Oh, it's a woman there. It's not a dog. Oh, look at the sun. It's so fine. My gosh. It's so fine. This boat ba kay always standing here. Maybe They're waiting for the kuan, dive, mga personnel or whatever. Yeah, because that's diving. That's for the diving service. So, I guess they're just waiting for their guest. No, and then they will go somewhere for diving. Maybe they will go to Pescador. Have you been in Pescador, guys? Because me, I've never been there in Pescador. That's nice place for diving, the Pescador. Yeah. Ay, what a sad news. Our Lula, who is 88 years old, she passed away this morning. So in our group chat, the daughter sent that Lula Bidad passed away this morning. So it's a sad news. Well, in a way, that's life. So let's go inside here in Jollibee. Let's eat some food. Hungry na for lunch.